Alright, how to flip just a couple of dollars into thousands of dollars on Polymarket. Automatic. Or at least, without you having to do shit. If you don't know what Polymarket is, then it's just an app where you basically predict whether, predictions will happen. Like, who will win the election or war or the price of Bitcoin going up. Pretty much anything. I'm not going to be covering how it works in this vid. I'm only going to be how you fuck a ton of money with it really quickly. And we're going to be focused specifically on the see up or down 5 minute, because this is the one which moves the most. And you have a resolution. The market ends, or you get an outcome. The market every single 5 minutes. So we're going to be focusing on this compared to, like the 500 other ones there are. And, like the other ones, it can take a lot of time. Like, get accepted and like that. There are also over 5 minute markets, but we're gonna just do the C one, and I recommend you only focus on because that one has the liquidity and the biggest volume / order book. So we're gonna be focusing solely on this. I made a crap ton of money already from this market myself, and if you watched the previous couple of vids, but I made a lot of money already trading on these markets. But my first attempt, which I did on the Polymarket site, I lost money because this market, there are bots, there are Jane Street, like hedge funds are trading on this, and a combination of people having fucking mega giga bots, which basically fuck you up, buy in manually. Plus, human emotions, right? Bots don't have emotions. They just have a set task to do it without, having some emotions. So I recommend you guys don't trade manually with this. I mean, you can try, but, Polymarket, the Bitcoin price, it really barely updates, etc. It's not, like, point accurate to, like, the actual real price of Bitcoin. So the bot we're going to be using, and the bot that I use, which actually smart it automatically, and it's not like some fucking bullshit bot. This free, like they charge a small 30% at the lowest, but they have like an advanced algorithm which essentially automatically trades. It's launch. You have this connect Telegram page here, through Telegram, then you get access to the entire link. So Oracle mode. First, you want to obviously deposit some money. We're gonna go and create a wallet. All right, saved. And now I'm gonna deposit. Okay, and there we go. We got $105.106. We're gonna go on Oracle mode, and first of all, how this bot works is every 5 minutes Polymarket a new market. The market asks one question: does Bitcoin close up or down? Okay, Oracle mode trades this market for you, watches live Bitcoin price, it prices the fair odds during the window. And with Oracle, you actually have different models. You have Pulse is like their normal version, and Moonshot is like an experimental one. And most of the time it loses money, but if it hits it, X, it's explained right here. Reset tiers, you have balance, fixed dollar amount, but the most important part is why the number of trades matters. One trade tells you a good bet loses often, a bad bet across a handful of windows. Luck, your results convert the model's real edge as the account grows. The more windows you trade, the smaller the part luck in your total, right? So the sample size has to be bigger, or big enough that luck can't really change the equation, right? So if you get lucky on one trade, or you get unlucky on a trade, and you only trade like 5 or 10 times, then right, that's just luck. Whether it's good luck or bad luck, the sample size isn't big enough for for the edge to actually kick in, because this bot does have an edge. I'll pour up some orange juice, some soda, orange soda, being a fat ass. So like I was saying, the closer your outcome sits to the edge, the model has. This is why a sample has to pass a certain size before it means anything. The same effect runs in both directions. Volume does not create an edge, reveals the edge that is already there. A model with a positive edge grinds its profit over hundreds of. A model with a negative edge grinds a loss just as reliably and a little faster, because every fee, like the TLDR, right, the two main things. Bullet point. Judge a model over hundreds of widths of trades and not over an afternoon. Green hour proves nothing, and a red hour proves nothing either if you're 110 trades, etc. So size that you survive long enough to get there, right? For example, if you have $100, you can go on stake sizing and fix dollar amount and put in like $1 per trade, and that's gonna be over 100 attempts. Not to mention, obviously win, then you get some money back, etc. But you gotta make sure the sample size is, big enough to fucking take out luck out of the equation, right? If you wanna just play around with a smaller sample size, then you have to understand that at that point it is just luck. Although, even if you do want to gamble with Polymarket, then this does have better odds, just gambling on like that. Also, Pulse from sample far sooner than Moonshot, because more often Moonshot needs a longer run before its numbers carry any weight. Most of its bets lose large weight of total. Alright, also guys, sorry if I sound unenthusiastic. Really, I really feel like shit, but I want to, get these videos out to you guys as much as possible. So you gotta do this is how you run it. You know, I'm gonna, you know, it's all gonna be linked down below. I'm not gonna retire Git. Just the models part was the important part. So we're gonna start up right now. We're gonna actually do post one auto. Let me here. You wanna go on auto. You can also trade manually, but I recommend you just do auto. So post v2.0. I'm gonna set wallet right here. And preset, I'm gonna do 5% bankroll, and also auto redeem is on start. And now as you can get started, so it is just first about you actually wait. Right? Also, you get notifications on Telegram or whatever it buys in offline. I mean, fuck it, so you can use this, you know, anywhere, like on your phone or whatever the fuck, you get notified, right? If you're like shitting in the fucking bathroom, you walk away from your setup and you get notified while you're shit. But the site also mobile. On it bought in, as you see, I got a little sound effect at 10.5 going down right now. Whatever, it is what it is. But in my opinion, this is the best way to actually make some racks right now. Obviously, if it's not financial advice and use everything, but I had success with it, and it removes the emotional aspect of trading. Most of losing money on trading, I'm not saying all, right, but most of, especially in scalp trade, most because of their emotions. To essentially remove emotions, then that'd be the best way, right? You can't really be emotionless 10, right? But you're always gonna have that little spark inside you saying, ah, should I buy? Just a little fucking voice saying, oh, should I sell? Should I buy in? Should I long it? Should I short it? In that wastes critical seconds, and you don't rationally program a bot. Is in it has a specific task, and it does that specific task. Okay. Oh, we made 50 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna stop this right here. Show you guys how this. We made like 50 bucks off the get go. All right. So that's how the bot works. If you guys wanna, you know, use it, link in bio down below. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like. I'm gonna start getting back into space as well. So if you guys want coin vids, let me know in the comments. You know, market's heating up. Same with Polymarket. We're doing both. And that's it, boys. Like, subscribe, comment, fucking, and let me know how, if you guys enjoyed this vid, and how Polymarket to you guys, alright? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I'm gonna go fucking sleep because I'm so fucking